Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use AllChinabuy, and this is a step-by-step tutorial if you are a beginner. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar, just search for AllChinabuy. Then here you just have to click on the sign up option or sign in. So since we don't have an account yet, we are going to create an account. So just type out your email and then create your password. And then after that, just click on this box right here that you have already read and accept the terms and condition. You just have to decide to complete the puzzle. That's right. Then after a couple of seconds, you now be directed to this page where you have to verify your email. So just have to click on it, then check your email. Then after that, you now be directed to this page, and we are going to change your language and currency. So we have this option. So you just have to select your language and then your currency and click on OK. Now the next thing that we should do here is we are going to find a products that we are going to purchase or buy. So right here at the top we have our account, and then here is the customer service, and then here we can track. So this one is the shipping calculator, then this one is the messaging section, and then our cart. So right here we have the search bar, so we can enter here the product name or the product link. So for example, we're going to search for phone case. Then after that, you'd be able to see here the different options or the different products that you can purchase. Okay, so for example, we are going to buy this product. So all you have to do is to click on it, and right here you also have the different categories that you can click on. So what I'm going to do here is to select this product, and you'd be directed to this page. After that, you just have to read this risk reminder and click on this read and accept. Next is you're going to see here the name of the product or the item, and you'd be able to see here the price as well. And when I scroll down, you have here the variation of the products. So all you have to do is to click on it, and right here you'd be able to see the different images of the product. And if you think this product is worth to buy, so you just have to go in this section. Okay, so you just have to click on the add to cart option, then make sure to select the variation first, and then select your quantity, and then click on the add to cart option or the buy now option. So after clicking on add to cart, you can now see your product on your cart. Okay, just have to take note all of these details right here. So just click on the buy now option. Then the next thing you should do here is to choose the destination country. So this is your order confirmation page. So what we are going to do here is to select Philippines. That's right, and this is now the product details. So you'd be able to see here the details of your product where you have to read everything. After that, check this box right here and click on submit. Next, you'd be directed to the checked out count. So here is your product details, and right here is the payment methods. As you can see, we have this Visa, we have Blicked, and Ideal, and more. So what we're going to use for the payment method is this one. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here now the pay now option. So you just have to simply click on this one. So I'll try to use MasterCard for this. So all you have to do here is you have to type out the details of your card, so the receiver, the regions, the address, the post or ZIP code, and then the mobile number. Then after that, make sure that you have filled out the form correctly. Okay, so right here, when you go here at the top and click on this option right here or your card, you'll be able to see here now all of the products that you have added to your cart. And if you want to purchase this product now, just click on the submit option, and you'd be directed to the order confirmation page where you have to do the same like what we did earlier. Now going back here, let's try to paste a product link. So we are going to use a product from Timo. So let's try to paste the link of this product. Okay, so you just have to click on it and click on the share option at the top and click on copy link. Now go back here and try to paste the link and then click on get. And then if you cannot find here the product yet, all you have to do now is to paste here the link again, the name of the product and the other details. Okay, so when you scroll down, you can also see another products. So let's try to search again, and if we can find the product using the link. So if you cannot find the product again, so you just have to put here manually the link. Okay, so let's try to paste it right here. Then the name of the product, so go back to Timo, and then you just have to copy the full name of this product. So just click on copy and then paste it right here. And for the remarks, just have to leave a message for them to purchase your item correctly. Then for the fees, we have the product price, then the warehouse, the Chinese and domestic delivery fee. Then you'd be able to see here now the total amount that you needed to pay. Okay, and then for the disclaimer, you also have to read this one before purchasing the product. Okay, then going back here on Timo, and be able to see here the details of the product as well. So let us try to find another product and use the link of the product if we can find it using the AllChinabuy. So let's try this one. So just copy the link, go back to AllChinabuy, then paste it right here and click on get. Now if you cannot still find the product using the link, then you just have to manually input the details of the product. So let us try to use the shipping calculator. So the purpose of this one is you have to type out right here the weight of the items. For example, we have here the weight, we have here the size, and then the length, and then the width. So you'd be able to know if how much would be the delivery fee if you are going to purchase that product using the AllChinabuy. So basically, AllChinabuy is a useful platform for purchasing wholesome products from China, making it ideal for businesses looking for affordable sourcing options. It provides access to a wide variety of items, but it is important to carefully review the product descriptions, supplier ratings, and shipping policies to ensure reliability. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.